Welcome back to Prime Auto Insights, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, deep dives, and expert takes on the hottest new rides. Today, we're talking about a machine built for the track, the 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse R. If you thought the Dark Horse was already aggressive, Ford just turned up the heat with this race-ready beast. What makes it special? How does it compare to its rivals? And most importantly, is it worth the hype? Stick around as we break it all down. And if you're a fan of high-performance Mustangs, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Let's start with the design. The Dark Horse R takes the muscular stance of the standard Dark Horse and injects pure racing DNA into every inch. The aerodynamics are more aggressive, with a massive rear wing for extra downforce, a lower front splitter, and lightweight materials designed for the ultimate track experience. Those 19-inch racing wheels wrapped in sticky Michelin Racing Slicks screen performance, while the wide body stance and functional hood vents ensure maximum cooling and airflow. The signature blue paint with contrasting racing stripes is a nod to Ford's track heritage, making this Mustang a true showstopper before it even hits the pavement. Step inside, and you'll immediately feel the difference. Forget about luxury, this cabin is all about performance. The Dark Horse R comes stripped down for racing, with no rear seats, a full roll cage, and a racing bucket seat with a 6-point harness. The steering wheel is quick release, inspired by GT4 race cars, and the digital dash is packed with race telemetry. Ford ditches the plush leather and soft touch materials in favor of lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, reducing unnecessary weight. Even the door panels have been swapped for bare bones, lightweight materials. The only thing you'll find inside this cabin is what you need to push this machine to its limits. If you're looking for a Mustang that balances track and street use, this isn't it. The Dark Horse R is a dedicated track weapon. Now, let's get to the heart of this beast, the performance. Under the hood, the 5.0L Coyote V8 roars with over 500 horsepower, fine-tuned for track domination. Unlike the standard Dark Horse, the R version is stripped of unnecessary components to shed weight and maximize lap times. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a TREMEC 6-speed manual gearbox, ensuring pure driver engagement. The chassis has been stiffened, the suspension upgraded with race-ready COI lovers, and the Brembo brakes are built to handle extreme track abuse. Ford engineers also recalibrated the magnetorological dampers for sharper handling, making this Mustang an apex hunting machine. The aerodynamic upgrades provide maximum grip, while the race-tuned exhaust system ensures an unfiltered, raw V8 soundtrack that will send chills down your spine. But here's the real kicker, this Mustang is not street legal. That's right, Ford designed the Dark Horse R exclusively for track use, competing in events like the IMSA-sanctioned Mustang Challenge Series. That means no license plates, no daily driving, just pure racing madness. If you've ever dreamed of owning a factory-built race car straight from the manufacturer, this is it. So, what's the price of owning this track monster? The Dark Horse R starts at around $145,000, putting it in the same league as Porsche's Cayman GT4 Club Sport and BM's M4 GT4. Compared to those European contenders, the Mustang Dark Horse R offers a more affordable entry into professional racing, with the added bonus of that unmistakable American 5.8 growl. Ford is positioning this as a stepping stone for drivers who want to transition from amateur track days to professional racing, making it one of the most exciting race cars under $150,000. With a factory-supported racing series, this car isn't just a track toy, it's an opportunity to compete at a high level with a turnkey, race-ready machine. Final verdict, the 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse R is a no-compromise track weapon, built for those who live and breathe motorsport. If you're looking for a street-legal performance car, you might want to stick with the standard Dark Horse. But if you want an affordable way to enter the world of professional racing, this Mustang is one of the best options on the market. What do you think? Would you take the Dark Horse R over a European track machine? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe to Prime Auto Insights for more epic car content. See you in the next review.